omelette, cheesecakes, brownie butter, pumpkin pies, meringue, or your pancakes. You have the fluffiest pancakes ever. Not only to get lumps on the gravy, but you can use it for your mashed potatoes. And you have the creamiest mashed potatoes. Let me say you're making waffles. You want to make toppings in it. Keep on going. Add sugar and cinnamon to sweeten up. Berries in summer, mix with your yogurt. Fantastic, delicious milkshake or smoothies. Mr. Webster is great for your dry powder to mix it with your liquid. And great for your cherry relleno. Whipped cream out of skim milk. 1, 2, 3, up!
Wow.
You cannot do that with your ordinary whisk. Easy to use, easy to clean. Just get a warm water, go up and down. Look, washing machine. Okay. Drip dry, done, clean. And because this is 1810 surgical grade stainless steel, you can throw it in a dishwasher. 100% dishwasher safe. Easy to use, easy to clean, and you can save money out of this. I know you like coffee, right? How much Starbucks coffee? 6, 7? I will show you how to make pini at home. If you like cappuccino, just pour the froth. Then add the coffee, spoon the froth on top. But I love latte. I've got her skinny latte pini at home. Why skinny? We use the 0% fat-free skim milk. It's not that amazing. They told me it's too big. You cannot use in a small bowl like this. No worries, we have still here. Junior Webster! The same effect of Mr. Webster. The difference, it has a small head and you can work in a small bowl like this. 1 egg, 2 eggs, small portion of salad dressing, no processed at all. Protein shake bottle, no need to shake it. Put it in the bottle, it will mix well. Baby formula, it will fit in the baby bottle, works good. Easy to use, easy to clean, and you can save money out of this. The question, where can we get it? You cannot find this in any store shelf. Today, you can get it from me because it's a promotional offer. But I have limited days here. Tomorrow, my last day working here. And Monday, you cannot find it here too. Tips, instructions in the side of the box. Pretty gift for your loved ones. Thankful upcoming birthdays, housewarming, wedding anniversaries. The best part of it, back up with unconditional lifetime guarantee. Whatever happened, we will change it. No question asked. Included in our package deal, forever sharp knife. Great for your chicken barbecue. In the barbecue grill, just to let you serve it to your guests. Tomatoes, no smashed tomatoes. Bread, no crumbs in the counter. Frozen meat and vegetables, no need to talk. Just cut and cook. Included here in the package deal for only. Just get it from me, scan and pay it there at any register for only $29.97. And this is your second free gift. Okay, you want the deal for $29 only and 97 cents.
Thank you. It's
You're
about one.
Yeah, $29 only and 97 cents. You want the deal for $29.97. You want it for $29.97. Yeah, it's really good deal, and you cannot find this in any store shop for $29.97. You want the deal for $29.97.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, and I will add your knife with it.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, you're welcome. Okay, here. $29.